Dr. Roald Aribudbud is a medical doctor at Masters in Psychiatry and Health Social Sciences. Dr. Aribudbud, can you please introduce yourself and of course, what you've been doing all this time?
Hi po, magandang araw. Ako po si Roald Aribudbud. Isa po akong psychiatrist and social scientist po from the Department of Sociology and Behavioral Science ng De La Salle University. Yung pong research ko po mostly about LGBTQ+ communities. So I look into their mental health, so pinaka-constant po dun na hindi po dun sa hindi ko po pag-aaral, pero pinaka-constant po talaga na contributor would be discrimination. Kaya po importante sana na ma-pass natin yung mga anti-discrimination ordinances and possibly bill if possible. Kasi it really, kung i-help po natin yung right to health na lang po ng mga tao, it also protects their mental health po. Kasi consistent naman po yung data natin from as with abroad na mas mataas po yung rate ng suicidality, depression, anxiety among LGBTQ+ community.
Okay, so kakaiba ngayon. Yesterday, we discussed about RISE, AI, COVID-19, vaccine, global disasters, and everything. Today, mukhang mas focus din ang aking diskusyon sa kanilang